So, nahirapan kaming hanapin yung Cosmic, but pag na-spot nyo yung matang yan yung Cosmic. So, may bridge papunta sa loob sa second floor. Ito yung kanyang opening hours. Kaya maganda yung place. Scan natin yung kanilang menu, but vegan yung kanilang food with meat alternatives. Kaya meron silang special sides, yung kanilang mains, meron silang din nung bento. Kaya in-order namin yung bagnet as well as stig. Sa akin yung adobo na may gata, may lumpiang Shanghai